Hey guys, this is Javier with Laguna Tools, and today we're going to bring you our brand new SmartShop auto loader. There are three major components to your auto loader. We'll start back here with our loading system. It's a scissor lift. You'll be able to take up to 35 sheets of 3/4 inch melamine or plywood. It will auto level itself to be at the perfect angle for the machine to be able to pick it up and load it. We have two stop bars, so when you load it in with your forklift, you have somewhere positive to stop against and you won't have to worry about squaring. Up at the front, you have two bars down below that will put you flat against the machine surface for easier loading. So as I stated before, it comes with an automatic level function, which would be your sensor here that will set it to the correct height. When you're gonna load your new pallet, you have your manual function here, so you can go down or you can go up. So you would go all the way down, load your pallet on, and then you would come back here to the control panel. You would select back to auto, and it will automatically go back up, and when it hits that sensor, it's going to stop. The loader is gonna pull your panels up with these suction cups here. We're actually gonna use our vacuum pump for that, but the pods will come over on top of your material, create the vacuum, lift the sheet up, and then drag it towards our spoil board. You'll get help from these wheels, so that way there's no resistance. So some features you're gonna get with our auto loader is gonna be our 5x5 drill block. You'll have your main router, and then you also have an 8-position tool changer. So on our new auto loader, we're actually coming out with our new controller, our Syntec controller. You have live toolpath preview, so you can actually see what you're going to cut before the machine actually runs, so it'll make it easier for you to determine if you're on the right part. We also give you an operator panel, which when you're doing multiple sheets in one job, what you can actually do here is preload your different files. And if say you have a base cabinet that's the same size, exact same part, you can actually run that 3 different times to get the same part. Once it runs those 3 times, it will automatically be removed from that list, and then you can move back down to the next part that's being ready to cut. Now, one of the reasons why we get such great cut quality on our Laguna routers is we use fully welded steel frame, dual drive rack and pinion, and 30mm guide rails. So once the router's done with its cutting and it's ready to do the offloading, the machine's gonna come forward, it's gonna push our sheet off and onto our conveyor bed. The conveyor will carry your parts over. It's gonna give us an extra clean here with this brush to pick up all the tiny little specks and dust that we leave on top of our material. It'll come forward, and it has a stop sensor that when material goes by it, it stops the conveyor. So then your operator can come over here, take the parts off, move forward, get the rest of the parts, and continue on. Man, I'll tell you, one thing I sure never get tired of is seeing that edge quality and cut quality off a Laguna router. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video on our new SmartShop auto loader. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 800-234-1976.